another part of your body. It has a side effect. So friends, soul science or quantum physics also come up with same findings, saying that there is principle of non-locality. That means our consciousness, our soul, is non-local. It is not just here, housed inside this body. It is free from linear local space and time. It is not bound by time or space. It is free. Only thing is, when we meditate, we are experiencing our soul. We have experience of our own soul, experience of our subtle bodies. Then we'll be able to understand this. We are free from space and time. We're travelers. We can travel beyond time, space. So we know that we are not just the bodies. Through our own personal experiences, through meditation, we will find out these truths. And observer participancy, wave particle duality principle. Yesterday, Nina Brown was beautifully presented about this principle through beautiful examples. So, observer participancy principle is all the time working. Wave particle duality. We perceive things through our perceptions, we create different realities. The true beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. It's your eyes which can see the truth, which sees the real beauty. The consciousness within you is creating the reality. So, principle of uncertainty, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which is also a great spiritual principle. Whatever Buddha has also discovered. Law of impermanence. Everything is uncertain. There is no certainty. Everything is spontaneous. We break free from all cause and effect phenomena. We transcend, we understand our soul potential. So, there is hope because of uncertainty. We can't label a disease. If this is cancer, this person is going to die in 6 months. This is bone cancer, terminal ill, prognosis is bad and he's going to die. We can't say it because there are people who are called exceptional cancer patients, ECAPs. There are enough statistical data presented by many spiritual scientists. Many medical miracles happened. They could really cure and heal themselves because of theory of uncertainty. Everything is uncertain. You make some choices and you create your realities. You can create health. And I must also tell you about these beautiful words which came to me in the morning today. Vaidya, Vidya and Divya. Sanskrit, Vaidya. Physician is called Vaidya. The doctor is Vaidya. And Vidya is, Vidya is education, soul education. Atma Vidya, soul science. The real education is soul education, soul science. So, Vidya. And Divya is, reverse the words, it is Divya, divinity or our own inner soul, our self within us, consciousness within us. So it is like our own consciousness is the Vaidya. Soul science, when we learn, we realize that truth that there is a doctor, there is an inner physician in all of us. And actually, the Latin word, the doctor, the Latin word which means docere means teacher. Doctor is supposed to teach about soul science. It's also my dream or a wish or future vision that I want to see all hospitals transformed into meditation centers around the globe. That's going to be the best. Where soul science is also integrated. And